Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video of iDecomat Neon. Today we are going to discuss about two different types of neon light. One is joint neon light, another one is split neon light. Split neon lights are made of two separate items. One is LED strips, another one is neon strips. While neon strips hold LED strips in an integrated neon light. The glowing effect of split neon is better than the integrated one due to its enhanced technology. The glue mark and the gaps in an integrated neon signs are obvious compared to more accurately made split neon signage. The wiring of unified neon sign is complicated and messy, which decrease the appeal of the light, while split light wiring is more clean and elegant. Split lights are very easy to repair as it has separated points, while if any point is damaged, the whole section need to be removed. Handmade integrated light strips are prone to inconsistent shape, while split strip light are installed into machine cut shape, which is more precise. That's all for today. If you think this video is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. See you until next time.